In today's video, I'll teach you how to make Google Chrome read web pages out loud. So if you want to do that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open Google Chrome. So there is no inbuilt feature for that. In order to do that, you'll have to download an extension. For that, what you have to do is click on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. You'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option, extensions. Now you'll be able to find two options, manage extensions, visit Chrome Web Store. Simply click on this option, visit Chrome Web Store. Or instead of doing all that, you can simply click on the search bar and type in chromewebstore.google.com. After that, you can see over here, you'll be able to search for the extensions. Simply click on the search bar. Now what you have to do is simply type in read aloud. Now press enter. Now you'll be able to find various extensions over here. Find this extension, read aloud text to speech. Click on it. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for add to Chrome. All you have to do is click on it. After you do that, the extension will be added to the Chrome. Here I've already added it. Now after you do that, what you have to do is simply open the web page that you want Google Chrome to read. You can see over here, I've already opened it. Now after you do that, click on the extension icon that you can see at the top of your screen. Now you'll be able to see all the installed extensions over here. Simply click on the extension read aloud. Now after you do that, you can see over here read aloud extension will be opened. You'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option, read this page. Now simply wait for a while.
Investing in mental health. This publication was produced by...
Now you can see over here, Google Chrome will read aloud all the text written in the web page. So like this, you'll be able to do it. So that is how you make Google Chrome read web pages out loud. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.